Hello friends, Namaskar. I am Dinesh Babu Tripathi. I was discussing about intervening vowels and position. The basic exercises have been already discussed. Now I will discuss about grammolog. There are some signs for these words where we have to write in the short form, sign in a sign form of the shorthand for making a word. So this is grammolog. This dark dot above the line will represent an, and the same on the line will represent the. This is dash, dark dash of all on the line to TWO or TOO. This is light dash off on the line 2. This is straightway above the line on the line but. This is from down to up, a ought OUGST on the line. This who, this is up dash up, and this is on the line should. So these words will be used in this exercise for practicing. So we should try to read, copy, and transcribe this exercise to find out the easy uses of the grammalogs mentioned above. So we will try to read, to transcribe this exercise. This is it. They. This is grammolog should. This is ship. This is grammolog again all. The coal on Monday. Underneath 2 line, this will show this is Monday. M will be in capital. Monday. The 10th of May. Again double line underneath. So M will be in written in capital letter. As usual, proper noun, the first spelling of the proper noun is written in capital. So this mark will show that this is proper noun. Second, ask the cashier to pay all the money into the bank at 2 today. Miller and Robbie say they hope to get all the load ready to catch the ship. Adelaide on the 4th of the month. The bill of lading should reach Canada on the 5th of March. Ought among all, this is not at who among all the party may move the vote. Now this is exercise has been completed. You people learning shorthand may repeat it again and again. Now I will come to exercise number 12. They should ask the head of the academy to change the date. Who took the padlock of the gate of the padlock? This I will write in shorthand notebook here and try to how the outline of the same is made. This is they should ask the head of the academy to change the date. This is full stop, so cross. Who took the padlock of the gate of the padlock. Up to the date up to the date of the party. She looked both rich and happy. The head of the bank, the head of the bank may leave on Monday. They ought to change the date on the check to 4th of the month So this exercise is over. So you again you have to write it again and again, and dictating himself and writing, reading, transcribe. In this way it will be easy for you to write and transcribe again and again. Thank you very much. So next video will be covered on alternative signs for R and H, means how R and H will be written conveniently in writing shorthand. Thank you very much. Namaskar.